Let's go get him again.
Well, today I'm one step closer to completing my Homme Ideal line from the House of Guerlain. I'm slowly collecting these like Pokemons. I own a few. This is the next one in the collection. This one intrigued me, L'Intense, because it has a chili note. And I hope this one will do as well as the Mugler one, the Amen Taste of Fragrance. Pure chili, as some reviewers call it. I want to see if this one can do just as good. Let's unbox this one. Fragrance family, welcome to the Rope Zoe channel. I'm your host, Mark. Today we're unboxing and giving a first impression on L'Homme Ideal Intense by the House of Guerlain. This is a 2018 release. Yes, first impression. I haven't smelt this one. I'm starting to collect these. I just got the Cool. If you haven't seen that video, go check out the unboxing on Cool. Now I got L'Intense, and of course I still have I got the original that I need to get. Yeah, usually I'm not that late on originals like that, but still haven't got the original, the Sport. And of course that Extreme one that I hear is very, very good. So this one has a few interesting notes in this release that intrigued me. Mainly the chili note, obviously, the leather, and there's a smoky note in here. And that signature almond that I'm assuming is going to be in this one too. So I'm looking into delving into this one. I'm really looking forward to it. I think this, and like I said in the Cool video, is I felt like this construction, this Homme Ideal construction is better made, best made for a darker release. You can start adding notes here and there to make it darker, sweeter, things like that. And I think that, you know, you got a really good almond backing to make some interesting concoctions for cooler weather, more than warm weather. I don't think like the Sport. I know a lot of people like the Cologne. The Cologne's good. I don't think it's as great as some people say, don't shoot me, and the Cool. But more interesting in the darker ones, more interested in the darker ones. Let's unbox this one. Now, before we unbox this one, here's a little fun fact for all the kids out there. This bottle did get a new look. It was released with a black matte look, and now it's just clear glass look. So I didn't do too much research as far as the box, the way it looks, and if they change the box look, and I'll know which bottle I have in here. But we'll see what bottle I get. I don't think there should be a change to the recipe. This is a fairly new release. So, but you never know when when presentations change, people start screaming bloody murder and saying reformulation, reformulation. So we'll see what I get. I don't really care. Whichever one I get, I get. So we'll see. And you guys will know just like me. So I got the newer bottle, newer edition. I'm fine with that. Kind of wanted the black one, to be honest, but it's all good. So L'Homme Ideal, L'Intense. Let's see what I get. And again, I'm looking forward to that chili note. Hopefully it's up front and center, but you never know. Let's see. Now these are fairly good as far as compositions go. Yeah, that's good. Right away. It doesn't take me long to know. Oh yeah. That chili note is there, but it's not pronounced. It's blended well. It's giving you a little bit of a red kick here. Very nice, actually. It's got a little of that spice, but it also has that comforting almond. It's got spicy cardamom, kind of warming it up. The tonka. Not much of a cherry blast here from the tonka, but very nicely composed, very interesting scent. That chili and that almond is your 1-2 punch in the opening here. Cardamom, good. A nice floral here backing it too. A little bit of smoke in here. Interesting release. A good release from Guerlain. I like this line, and that really This kind of makes me want to go check out the extreme version, because I got the EDP, very, very good. This intense version is very good, at least on a strip. That chili note, I wish I had a little bit more. Maybe it'll jump off more on my skin. It's well blended with the rest of the recipe, the Ideal recipe. That almond note is very well done, very well balanced. And that's what I like about this Guerlain brand, is a lot of their stuff is well finished. That's the way I like it. Well, not all of them, but a good portion of them. So this one right here, very interesting. A good release from the Ideal line. I'm happy to have this one in my collection. I can't wait to delve into this one a little bit more. I feel like right now it'll be good for me to wear it, like right now, because even though spring is right around the corner as far as the calendar goes, we all know in Canada it's well, we don't all know. I know that I might still have snow like a month from now on the ground. So it'll be good, because this is where I think this one's going to gravitate towards more of a fall release for me. From what I'm seeing here, it doesn't feel like it has much push. Again, the strip doesn't tell all, but it feels like it's a little tame. And I want to see what it's going to do on my skin here, especially in the fall. That's the telltale sign. How much push am I going to get out of this release when it's the fall? And that'll tell me really how well it's going to go into the winter. But L'Homme Idéal L'Intense by the House of Guerlain pretty much sold me on the extreme version. That's a blind buy already, just off the strength of this and the EDP. I like these darker releases from the Ideal line. Keep them up. Now that you heard my take on this one, and I know a lot of you that are watching this video probably have smelt this or have owned this, I'd love to see your comments below. Good, bad, and the ugly. Please share with us today. It's always nice for anybody to watch my videos, but when I'm watching YouTubers, I'm always going in the comments and seeing what else people are saying. It's not all about this face, but it's about everybody else in the community talking and sharing our ideas on these particular releases. So now that I'm done, as always, a great pour fragrance will make a lasting impression. Choose your Homme Ideal flanker wisely. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.